car is having a really hard time getting up the hill.
I'm gonna make that other one.
Oh my god. And Jeremy's supposed to go to work tomorrow.
Yeah, not if it's like that.
It's gonna be worse tomorrow because it's cold. It's warmer today than it is tomorrow and tonight. It's gonna be 19 degrees tonight and all that is gonna be ice. Hi Fuad. If you're even still watching our videos. We're using the selfie stick that you got us today because of the snow. So it snows and literally the thing that we want to do is walk to BJ's and go get some cookie dough. Well, that was my idea. Hey, rude. Ow! That's right in the back. You hit the selfie stick. Hey! Right on the camera. So Lyle, thank you for encouraging us to get out and go do snow stuff because you commented on my Instagram picture, which I'll insert here, and said it'd be a good day to go vlog. And I agree. Guys, look how pretty. Like, do you see this? This is freaking, like, beautiful.
You look cute.
Thanks. This is the nice plushy snow. He's wearing my delirium hat that I got from the Ellie Goulding concert. Hi, we have a selfie stick and a camera because it's snowing. Oh my god, we're basic. So, if we're here for cookie dough, how much do you guys think we're gonna leave with? Yeah, I remember the cookie dough's over this way. There they are.
$9.99 for that much?
It's a lot, Jeremy. It's bigger than your head. That could probably make like 500 small cookies. Even though that probably wouldn't last a long time with us. I hope you guys can hear us okay in there. Do you think they can even hear us? So we're just going with the trusty dusty DiGiorno. Try to say that 5 times fast. You guys, I think Jeremy should grow his hair out long, like all of it. He always wants me to cut the sides off, but I feel like he should go with the Kylo Ren look. What's with me and Kylo Ren? My name is Kylo Jen. And you're Kylo Ren. Remy, Joe, Remy. So, something you guys really need to try if you go to Whole Foods ever is their chicken fried tofu. It's vegan and it tastes literally like chicken nuggets. It's freaking bomb. So freaking bomb. Jeremy hates tofu, but he loves it, right?
Yeah.
I love it when people are just like rude. Like, why do you need to be so rude? Like, there always has to be something that people want to complain about on my videos. Like, really? So as we were leaving BJ's, the employee asked us, Tall House cookies and pizza, really? And
one of the guys said all you need to do was add some alcohol.
Yeah, and then I was like, well, that's what you do on a snowy day after you walk to BJ's. It was really, not cringy at all. Guys, I'm really sorry if this mic sucks because,
It's my phone.
well, it's
and
because
it's an iPhone.
there's a life proof.
An iPhone sucks.
It's because there's a life proof case on it.
No, this iPhone sucks. Go Android.
That's a good picture.
It's not a picture, it's a video.
I know, but it would be a good picture. What? Jeremy is over here trying to accomplish milestones and stuff, and I'm just too cold because I can't wear my gloves, being the person that switches back and forth between front camera and back camera. I can't wear my gloves and my hands are freezing. All I'm saying is it's a good thing we have this life proof case on because it's really wet. Walking in a winter wonderland. In the meadow you can see us, Joe, me. Walking down the sidewalk all alone. I'm not gonna join him cause I'm really cold. Jeremy! Jeremy! Come back! No! No! He's leaving me! My frigid hands can't do it. They look wrinkly and gross and ashy and weird. Bye, Jeremy! Bye! Have a good one! Adios! Muchachos! Guys, I really don't know what he's doing. He's beyond that corner now, so I think he's given up on me. Okay, Jeremy's really not coming back. I don't see him, guys. I really don't see him coming back. Well, I guess I'll go find him because it can't be too hard. He left some tracks. I just failed big time because I just put my hood on. And the hood had a lot of snow in it going down my neck. Oh! Can you see that? I don't know where he's at. Oh, this is so freaking cold. Why did I do that? That was so stupid. Guys, I'm gonna need to get that snowplow to snowplow all this snow off my neck. I'm just trying to stay put because I feel like if I try to follow him at this point, I'm just gonna lose him again. I'm just gonna lose him even more. And he doesn't have his phone because I'm using it to vlog. They're leaving me out to become a snow fossil. I have so many personal problems right now, it's crazy. But my neck, my freaking neck, felt like I did the ice bucket challenge. Right on my neck. Right on my neck. You littles, he freaking came back. You freaking came back. And I tried to get the running scene where you ran back and then your stupid phone died.
So I'm getting it, not an iPhone.
And then it came back to life and it's at 10%. I'm using the normal camera. He left me, and when he came back, his stupid camera died. Domi made us some nice toasty pizza. Yay! Ooh, we look like alcoholics. Got the Destinies going. Destiny 2, that is. We got the snowy vibes outside the window. And we got the pineapple pizza. So if you guys have watched our vlogs for a long time and you're an OG viewer, you know that we just eat the pizza straight off the thing because, you know, why waste plates, you know? And I always gotta have Frank's Red Hot or some kind of hot sauce to go with my ranch. That's some art right there. You got some on your pizza. That's gonna be the part that you pick up on your pizza and you get ranch on your fingers. We're going on a date in our living room. A Destiny date. With our favorite cashmere plum candle. Lit, 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 lit. Guys, seriously? Just pay the extra dollars and get the DiGiorno. It's bomb! So good. And I'm so not focused. There we go. Show them your character. Look how freaking cool his character looks. So out of my league. Hang on, I gotta show you my character. She's pretty jacked right now. I mean, she's got some like pearlescent armor on, but like she's not the same. Would you say that it's cookie time?
It's cookie time.
You think so?
It's cookies! What are you doing in my house? Eating my cookies!
I'm probably gonna have like 4 spoonfuls of raw dough before I even put the cookies on the tray. So we'll see.
Down to my house!
Okay, that's enough. That's enough.
And put the cookie down! No!
Guys, I've made over my character. So she's pretty interesting now. Pretty shiny. Oh my god, this is heavy. A heaping 5 pounds. You want a bowl of raw cookie dough?
I would like a bowl of raw cookie dough. Please!
You know?
Now!
Look, guys. It's still a little frozen. Yummy. So let's see, the baking instructions, they say preheat to 350. Okay. 325 it is. You want these cookies as undercooked as possible. Bake 12 to 13 minutes. We'll do 10. I bet you we will come out with the most perfect cookies, because one thing especially that you need to remember is for the dark pans, they cook faster than like the lighter pans for some reason. So I can't even spoon out this cookie dough because it's still super hard. Alright guys, I just want you to know that I know these cookies are gonna come out a little ugly. I think I might put it on like 8 minutes since those cookies are really small. And then I had to add like 2 more minutes to it, so it took about 10 minutes. This is how I like them. I'm bringing the cookies over.
They're little.
I purposefully did them small. They're good, but I wish I cooked them for less time. I should have just stuck with the 8 minutes. Are you gonna try them?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, these are overcooked. Oh no, they're good.
No, because when they cool off, they're gonna be really hard. So we gotta eat them all right now when they're still hot.
Right now.